Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And the environment may look a little different, and that is because I'm in Manhattan, New York. So in this vlog I will be touring my dream college and showing you guys what I think, because I've never seen it in person. So we're gonna learn together. Shout out to Maya and Angel. This vlog is for them too, who couldn't make it, but this is their dream college as well. So hope you guys like the vlog. And today I have my dance session, and we're gonna tour the campus and dorms today. And then tomorrow, which is Sunday, I have the business session, and that's all. So yeah, see you guys when we get to the school or eat breakfast. Just see you guys when I see you guys. So we're at breakfast. We're at breakfast and it's 9:30 and we're about to leave to go to NYU. And it's a great morning, you know. Last night was a little iffy because New York is hard to navigate, but now we're okay. You probably can't even hear me because it's so loud in here, so that's all right. I'll see you guys when I get to the school. And yeah, we're in the subway, that's where we are, and we're waiting for the train to take us straight to the school. So we just finished our first tour, which was basically just of like grounds and buildings and stuff. I think we're gonna take a dorm tour either after today's session or tomorrow. Not really sure, but the School of Arts and Science seminar starts in like 10 minutes. So we're just in Washington Square Park right now, which is where the tour ended. And yeah, we're just hanging out here. It's very pretty. And so yeah, so far the school is nice. It's really cold, so it's hard to kind of enjoy the tour, but I like the school. I like how it's in the city. I'm a city girl, so period. Of course I knew I would like that, but yeah. That's pretty much it, guys. I'll talk to you after the seminar, or if they let me, I'll record a little bit of it. Hey guys, so I've been really bad at vlogging because I'm nervous in front of people, but I just finished the dance seminar, which ran a little longer than I expected because of questions and stuff. So there is a lot of insightful things that I learned today that will definitely stay on my mind when applying to colleges next year. So NYU is definitely up there in the ranking, and the dance department is amazing. After hearing such things, they really put their dancers forward and try to get them out into the world. So I'm really excited. My phone's about to die. I think we're about to go to a residency hall to get a tour, but if we don't, then I'll catch up with you guys when we go get something to eat, or maybe my phone will die and I'll have to wait till we get back to the room. So see you then. Okay, so it's been a long time since the last time I filmed. We were still at the dance building, but we went back to the hotel for a few hours, and now we're going to get some food in Canal Street, some Chinese food. So I think we're gonna be eating there, so I guess I'll film a little there, maybe not. But if I forget to film the rest of tonight, then you'll see me in the morning when I'm on my way to the business session at NYU. So far I love the school, but you know, I still should visit other colleges because I might fall in love with a different one. So yeah. Hey guys, so it's in the morning. It's Sunday. It's 9:12, and today, well, let's go to last night. So I stopped filming last night because we were just enjoying our time in Chinatown, Canal Street. The food that you guys saw was the best Chinese food I've ever had. I had roasted duck, roast pork, and these kind of chicken noodles. They were so good. So yeah, if you guys come to New York, definitely get roasted duck from this place called Sai Chi. I'll put it on the screen. So today, we're going back to NYU for the business seminar at 11:30. So we have a little bit of time, and today's also the day we're leaving. So after we leave NYU, we're gonna go down to Times Square because we're leaving from the Grand Central Station, but we'll just walk around because our bus doesn't leave until 4 o'clock. So we'll have some time after the seminar to just walk around Times Square or whatever. So I'll try to get more footage today because I kind of failed you guys yesterday, but we'll try again today. So yeah, see you guys when I see you, because I really don't be knowing where I'm going next. We're in the subway station and we're headed to NYU for the business session, and it starts at 11:30 and it's 10:41. We kind of lost track of time, but we should still be there on time. So yeah, see you guys there. Okay guys, I'm on Greyhound and we're about to transfer buses for the 3rd time. The bus before had no AC and the air, the heat was like pumping, like we was burning. Now this one has the check engine light, so now we have to switch again. Just my luck. This always happens, but it's okay because we're just gonna pray and we're gonna get through it. I just want to get back to my home. 2 hours. And this bus don't even have no good lighting, so I look a mess. See you guys in Philly. So the last clip, oh my gosh. Yo, I just brushed my teeth and I didn't lotion my face, but the last clip you saw was on the bus coming back to Philly. So I was the worst YouTuber while I was in New York. I did a very bad job at vlogging, and it's just because a lot of stuff was happening. So we can talk about NYU and how I feel after visiting my dream school. Do I still love it? How do I feel? Yada yada yada. This is gonna be pretty quick. this is just to close out the video with you guys having an understanding of how I feel at this moment. So, okay. After, I'll talk about the dance program at Tisch first. So the dance program at Tisch, after we broke out on Saturday in our sessions, you got your own little booklets to go with the major that you were pursuing. Like, okay, before even getting to NYU, I had the mindset of minoring in dance and majoring in business, mainly marketing and entrepreneurship, but we'll get to that. So they give you a pamphlet. It comes with like pictures of the students and all of that wonderful jazz. And then you get another one at the Tisch. It's hard to say because it's Tisch, so I think it's Tisch. But the Department of Dance talks about the auditions, yada yada yada. So after we talked about the dance department, I fell in love. I just think that they really prepare their students for the dance world. Like, they make good use of the city that they're in, New York, which is like a major city in the entertainment industry, especially in the dancers, Broadway. So I was just like very transfixed and was ready to pack my stuff and go, but couldn't do that. So I really love Tisch School of Dance. And yeah, so on to also the admissions process I also like because it's test optional. Sorry guys, I need to get something. So with the school being test optional, as in you don't have to send in your SAT scores, and they don't like count it as anything if you do or don't. Like, if you don't, then okay, you just didn't, and if you do, then okay, you did. So that really intrigued me. Like, baby girl, they know that some of these kids aren't test takers, aka me. So yeah. Fast forward to Sunday when we were there for the Stern School of Business. This is where Maya and Adrian might want to listen. So I think that it was just me. Like, I wasn't really clear on like what would be expected of me for a business student, or not even what would be expected. The part that really like unsold me or like made me think like maybe I should like branch out of just this business degree is listening to the students, listening to how the students were so passionate about certain, like, just the business aspect and political aspect of the business degree. And I was just like very, I don't know, I just found that my passion wasn't in that sort of place. So I don't think the Stern School of Business is for me. If you are very passionate about econ or marketing, and you want to be able to, in politics, and you want to be able to visit other countries and solve real world political issues that are going on there and things like that, Stern is definitely for you. I'm not saying that Stern, it was boring, I hated it, but it just wasn't for me. Like, but if that is like what you're passionate about, definitely check it out, because it's an amazing program. Even if I don't feel as though I would personally thrive there, someone who has a passion for changing the world or even just understanding how the market works would definitely excel there, because the way the students speak so highly of it, and you can see it when they study abroad and go to other countries, it's just really beautiful. as well as the dancers also being able to travel abroad and do an exchange program. I love that. So all in all, my dream college it was what I expected. Like, it was a beautiful prestige school and it had excellent academics and I loved the dance department. It just wasn't all that I think I will need to be in college, and I feel like that's okay. I visited the school for a reason, to get a feel of how I think I would like it, and now that I think about it, or as I'm thinking about it after going and hearing everything, it's definitely still an option, definitely, because I can still get a BA in not a BA, a BF in fine arts, and I can also get I think I can get a BF in fine arts, but then I can also minor in something else. So it's honestly, it was just a learning experience. So please, 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 if you really love a college and you think you're sold, like you don't even want to visit it before going because you just know you want to go here, please visit it, because you never know, okay? You never know what's good for you. It's so yeah, guys, that is how I feel. I think that is pretty much wraps up the whole vlog and my emotions and how I feel after visiting my dream college. I still love New York. Like, I love the location. I feel like they make good use of the city. It's an inner city college, so like the campus is literally the city. It's not closed off or gated or anything, and I like that. So yeah, I'm gonna close out officially the vlog after I'm done getting ready, just so I don't look a total hot mess. But yeah, I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm done getting ready for school. I'm getting a ride today, so I don't have to leave right now. So thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. Leave below your dream college or the college that you want to go to. Maybe I'll visit it. We don't know, maybe I'll visit it. So leave that down below. Also, make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe, and you share our channel. You join the family. It doesn't have a name, but it's still a family. Bye guys. Again, thank you so much for 500 subscribers, and you know, let's get it. Road to 100, baby girl, calm down. Road to 1K. Also, if you guys want a tutorial on this, like, little Princess Jasmine sleek braid, let me know. Bye.